Oh hi, I didn't see you there. Welcome back to How to Survive in Canada. Now, today, as you can see, there's something wrong. I'll give you a minute to guess it. That's right, it's over 10 degrees Celsius. There is no snow. I repeat, no snow. This is something that doesn't happen a lot. The planets are in alignment. Galaxies are in alignment with us to the center of the universe. They're all in a line. That's what alignment means.
Beautiful.
No. You caught me eating, you scared me there. So, as I was saying, knowledge is a beautiful thing. Knowledge can get you your Lamborghini, but you don't need a Lamborghini where I'm going. The great outdoors. Typically I do all my episodes outside, but this is outside, not your typical outside. I have no idea where I was going with that, but try and keep up. Time to explore. Very exciting. I'm just checking out my Canadex. I haven't scanned anything in a while. Unfortunately, the data was wiped on that little trap I punched out earlier. They must have wiped it again. Cameraman, there are worms here. Look at that. Cameraman, there's a fort up there. I wonder whose it is. Let's check it out. Stay here, it might be dangerous. Now, here's the thing I've found. See this? I saw this when I was abducted. This is the nomadic Canadian Society Squad thingamajig. You remember that, don't you? Maybe. Not sure. Oh well. Well, that was their fort. And it's abandoned and pretty destroyed. Which means that somebody else is here who's against them. Oh my god. The Russians.